The menu cube has started, and you can see that we have everything that has been installed with Ingress Enabled. So let's move on. Checking the nodes. It's ready. Ingress controller is also ready. So in my previous demo, I have already explained how to set up Argo CD. I'm skipping this part. In the default namespace, our Hello World app is running. I have the X service already exposed as node port. I need only to get the menu cube IP, and then it should be working. So now this is what we have currently. I have prepared the different files that we need for this demo to install first cert-manager. We will use Argo CD for that purpose. The cert-manager is created. Let us watch. There's also another tool that we can use to watch it. I have K9S. Check the namespace and cert-manager. So let's check here. We have the custom resources applied. So before moving to the next steps, this is the prerequisite that you have to do. First, you need to generate root certificates. So I'm generating with OpenSSL, and then you need to create the secret of these root certificates. I already have the root certificate generated. I will just create the secret for the root certificate. Now that we have created the secret for the root certificate, we can create an issuer, and then we will create the certificate, which is a wildcard certificate. Anything that ends with example.com will be applied. Then we will create the ingress. So on the ingress side, I have to specify the TLS host. We'll be using helloworldexam.com. I just need to commit the change on GitHub. We publish. Hello World is running. So let's check the ingress if it's created. Not yet. I will check for secret. You see that it's progressing. Let's wait for some time, give it time to become healthy again. So our custom issue has been created, and if I check what's there, so the certificate also is created. I can check for Ingress. This is also done. Now back to Argo CD. You can see that now we have our hello world is sync and healthy. So I could also connect to the UI of Argo CD to check it. Let's do that. So I want to show you how we can connect to Argo CD UI. The first thing is to enable the load balancer, since by default it's also IP. So you patch it using the load balancer type, and then you have to, since we are using Minikube, you have to enable the tunnel to run Minikube tunnel, and then you get an IP address. You replace the IP address. Now the admin, let me grab the password. This is how you get password. And we sign in. So you see that our Hello World app is synchronized and healthy. All the different components that we have created. This is the service that is in the default namespace. This is the service external name. In Kube system, here the deployment, the certificate, the issuer, and the ingress. Let's go to the UI, and you see we have our host name, and if you check here, it says the connection is secure and the certificate is valid. Now we have GitOps manage Ingress and HTTPS. That's great, and I have shown you all the steps that we have been able to achieve. What we will be doing next is we will be enabling Gateway API